Hi pals, today we are going to talk about geography. Geography is the study of place,
Geographers are scientists who study geography
so they investigate and learn about the world around us.
and how we connect with the world.
Most people think of physical geography. Physical geography looks at the physical landscapes of the world,
Like ecosystems, weather, glaciers, oceans,
and even volcanoes. But some geographers focus more on social interactions. This is called human geography.
Human geography looks at humans' interactions with the physical geography.
Some examples include cities or urbanization,
Also population, transportation, and even trade.
There is another focus of geography that includes the aspects of both physical geography and human geography. That is environmental geography.
Environmental geography looks at how humans interact and impact the environment.
That would include topics like pollution and nature protection or conservation. Also, sustainability. Sustainability is the ability to sustain.
So they make sure we don't run out of resources.
That's right. So as you can see, geography is not just one thing, it's everything.
Geography is the study of place.
So we all interact with geography in some way. To learn more about the environment, check out Planet Pals Learning.
Thank you.